As you can see, I'm having some GPU problem, so I will stop or pause the Starlight project. Nope, I'm not giving up. I'm just pausing it and changing the method to get some budget. So Starlight goes dark. Yes, it does. And I will stop focus on the manga. But before that, I did use AI software or maybe app. It's called Talkie. And reason why I use was actually I just want to talk to my fictional characters, and this application was actually allows me to do that. So that was nice. So anyway, I'm starting to focus on my manga. I use some AI generated art first, but I'm not going to do that again. I promise. This is my redemption arc, kinda. Wait, am I a fictional character? Why do I need a redemption arc when I'm not a fictional character? Anyway, I put some dragon because come on, dragon, summoner without dragon sounds ridiculous. So I just put some effort and add some dragon and I painted. I did not trace it. I just copied and changed some effect. I mean, it's almost same as trace it. Anyway, I actually changed it and used it. As you can see, I'm just working on a shadows, a deep shadows, I guess. Because I got a screen tablet, I can work on the details now. Yes. Yeah. Dragon may be a little bit generic, but I will make a 3D model of it so I can have a nice dragon. So problem is actually I can't draw same thing twice. If I draw one thing and I try to copy that thing, it will become something completely different. And also the characters from Tales of Dragon Summoner. Yeah, that's the name of my manga. Tale of Dragon Summoner. It's the name of manga. So characters from my manga has a lots of details, lots of armors, needs lots of accurate painting. So that's why first I thought maybe AI could help me, and then turns out actually it's changed hairstyle and the armor and outfit. So it's actually worse than I thought. So I will just use 3D models. Luckily I have 3D models, lots of it. I didn't actually use it. Anyway, so I just focus on those 3D models and I will use them as a reference. So yes. Also, by the way, I'm not fully against the AI art. It's just thought I'm not the one that making the art. It's just AI making it. So yes, of course they'll have some flaws, but I think they looks good. But then again, they are not my art. They are machine generated art. So as you can see, my coffee image of AI generated art. I add the hospital that run by fairy and dragon and some sort of bug fairy. That's it. Anyway, I'm not going to use this image on my manga, so I will focus on 500 pages for first volume, because first volume has 10 chapters and one chapter has 15 pages. That's my plan. Why? Because it's easy to calculate. I'm not an AI, guys. I'm a simple dumb human being. Anyway, so that's the plan. So I have to focus on 500 pages. So I need lots of 3D models and lots of animations. Yes, you heard it right. Every page, every panels I draw has a 3D model animated. So I can just use that as a reference for when it's got animated and as an anime. So I can have a reference for not just only manga, but also anime. How's that sound? I know no one's going to tell me this has 100% or 15% of chance of success. I know that. I'm just saying that I have a material, boy, because I use 3D models and I can animate in a 3D. Wow, that was a very dumb sentence. My English is very bad, so sorry for that. Anyway, as you can see, I'm just animating Mr. Holy Knight. Yeah, that's his name. So this is actually a rough model. I will put some details because, come on. It's just... we are just talking about 3D models, so let's just put so many details so I can use those as a reference image. and I can use as a screenshot. Why not just import a 3D model? Because I'm trying to save computing power here. Why? Because my dumb brain works that way. Anyway, I just copied some of the frame from my animation and used that as a reference image to paint my test page. After the test page done, and I will focus on my 3D models and actual pages. Yeah, I'm wasting my time here. I know that. I'm a master of wasting my time. I'm just painting it and looking at it. This is not good enough. I'm just painting that page again. I did paint or draw the one page 7 times. Yep. Because all the other versions has a problem. Wow. Yep. I mean, this version is a test page because it has also a problem because I didn't focus on the background. Yeah, that's the common theme. Anyway, as you can see, I just drawing the lines, and after drawing the line, I will put some shadows and colors and color the today. Yeah, very dumb. I know that. And add some text, some cringy line. Why not? Because everyone loves cringy lines, like one shot, like boom. Maybe not. Anyway, let's just focus on at the moment. Yes. As you can see, I'm adding shadows. And I will put some colors, because why not? Colors are cool. So, anyway, this is a isekai manga, and then Mr. Holy Knight is a reincarnated person, but he's not the protagonist. Protagonist is actually someone who from this world. This world is called World of Glory Heart, and she's a dragon summoner, lost daughter of goddess Elita. Yep, some spoilers. Anyway, so we are not focusing on perspective of someone who from our world. We will focus on perspective of someone lives in a fantasy world, meeting someone who reincarnated from regular world as a Holy Knight. Yeah, he has the ability to recover and heal and boost and something like that. If you want to learn about it, you can talk to my talkies. That sentence is very weird, right? Talk to my talkies. Anyway, so yeah, I will focus on my manga. And that's cool. As you can see, my test page is done. So, now, all I have to do is to draw 500 chapters for the next few months. Then we will have a 10 chapter. That we call it first volume. Focuses on a story that is known as Tale of Dragon Summoner. It's a isekai manga. So anyway, I hope you guys like my video. And yes, I will go back when I sell my manga. And maybe it become popular or not. I don't know. But my manga has a one unique thing. Every page, every panel has its own animation. I mean, it will be. So see you next time. My name is Mahawatra, dumbest person alive. I'm dumber than Elon Musk. I'm telling you. What did I say that? It is because Starlight is a third-person, story-driven, 3D linear game. I need lots of budget, lots of unique assets, lots of models, lots of... one word, it's just ambitious thing. Wait, who wrote this script again? Oh, it's me. Alright, I work alone.